Hi, this is Chiranjeevi. You better know me as CHEMMaster. A brief introduction of myself. I have qualified NET GATE TS set, that is Telangana set. I have started CHEMMaster YouTube channel at the end of 2015 to share my knowledge on chemistry. Due to that, I have received many requests to start a responsible online coaching for CSIR, NET, GATE and SET. So due to those requests, I have started a website that is CHEMMasters.online, and I have taken it as serious because I have a passion on teaching. So I have started it, and the complete course was done from January 2018 to June 2018. Okay, one term was completed successfully. Now I'm going to start the next course for CSIR NET December 2018 and GATE 2019, and it will start from July 10, 2018. If you are interested, you can just search CHEMMasters.online on Google and you can get the home page like this. And by just clicking on here, that is register for free, and you can register under the website by using a valid mail ID with your password. After registering on it, you can enter into it through your register ID and password, and then you can see the sample videos. Okay, right. And if you are interested, you can join on the courses. Right. Why you should join on the CHEMMasters.online, and what are the benefits of CHEMMasters.online? Yeah, here, if you join on it, you can get complete syllabus wise video lectures with best concepts, and you can get the previous year solved problems from 2011 to 2018, which are in the video formats with the best analysis of the problems. And also you can get GATE 2000 from 2018 to and 2000, so till to that all the papers and which are solved and which are in the video formats, you can get all of them. And you can also get assignments based on every topic and which are as standards as of CSIR and GATE chemistry. And you can also get model problems, and I'm trying to give model tests also. Okay, just like offline institutes. And another benefit is, if you are doing a job or if you are unable to go to offline institute, so it is the best place, that is CHEMMasters.online, on which you can get videos and of the concept lectures and problems, assignments and model test. So that means you no need to go institution, you can just view or you get classes of the courses just by playing on mobile or laptop at your home or at your comfortable place at any time. That means there is no timing for the particular lectures. So as just like YouTube, you can get all the videos and you can see the particular concept videos in any time and anywhere many times. Okay, so that's why these are the best features of the CHEMMasters.online. By using these, you can crack the CSIR or GATE chemistry, I can assure. Now, so as we said, no classrooms and no timings here on CHEMMasters.online. So you can just see as just like YouTube. Okay, you have a personal account through which you can see your course videos and the concept lectures, and you can get assignments and reference materials and also model test. And what CHEMMaster can teach? Here already you have seen so many videos on YouTube channel, that is CHEMMaster. You can get an idea about how a CHEMMaster teach. So I can just teach from the basics. So that means by using very simple language and with analysis which is very simple. So that is just like raw. Okay, I give the raw analysis to understand well for a particular for a poor student to high. Okay, right. If we do research for your success, yeah, we can work on more and more to give standards, to improve the standards of my online coaching, to give the standard assignments and the standard problems and model papers, to give you the standards as just like offline institutes. And you can also get CHEMMaster's mobile app from Google Play Stores. Just you can, by searching CHEMMasters, you can get app and just installing in it, and after installing it, by just sign up. So by using your valid mail ID and a mobile number, you can register into it, and you can see sample videos, and if you are interested, you can join on it. I hope it will help you. Thank you.